The arrangements are proceeding as planned. I will be in touch shortly with the final confirmation.
Are you serious? When did this happen? Tell me everything right now!
What do you mean they're gone? I told you to secure the perimeter. Find them now, I don't care how.
All right, men, look closely. The informant confirmed the drop point is right here, marked in blue.
Stand by. Breach! Door open. Go!
Pressure holding steady at 2,000 psi. Ready for deployment.
Push! Keep moving!
It's clear. Doors secured. We are ready to move out.
Hold here. You have 5 minutes exactly, no more.
Pull! Heave! Pull the net tighter! Watch the head! Watch the head! Secure the sides now.
Easy now. Just rest. I'm here with you.
Hold the truck right there. Okay, team, let's move him up. Steady on the ropes now, easy. Go now. The future depends on this. Steady now, easy on the left side. Watch the footing right there. Almost down, keep the tension on the ropes.
Lungs sound clear. How are the electrolytes looking on the panel?
Stable, Doctor. We are commencing the fluid drip now.
I'm administering the sedative now. IV fluids are running steady.
We have a critical change in status. I'm seeing ventricular tachycardia. I repeat, prepare for immediate surgery.
All done now. Such a good patient.
Here are your bananas.
Good job, nice and gentle.
On behalf of the community, we certify the excellent health of this magnificent creature.